DesignBeast is the first of its kind all-in-one design, animation, and graphics suite powered by artificial intelligence. You are going to get 6 multi-purpose design technology for a low one-time price, including a full-feature all-in-one design and mock-up engine featuring a huge library of 7,000 ready-to-use customizable designs perfectly sized for all the popular social platforms. Any design that you can imagine, you can create in minutes from scratch or use our ready-to-use templates in any language. This is unlike any other graphic design app, and on the very next page, you can see a live demo and check out the first-to-market features included below to be blown away. The second app is the groundbreaking 3D live motion photo animator technology that lets you transform boring still photos into dynamic, moving visuals with stunning effects to wow your audiences and stand out from the crowd. Dynamic, moving visuals are proven to get up to 10 times more engagement than regular still photos. This is perfect to grab more eyeballs, get more clicks, and slash your advertising costs by at least half. The third app is our game-changing Magic Object Removal tool, which selectively removes any objects, people, or any other element that you choose from your photos within seconds. Accurate object removal technology like this is not available in any other app, especially for such a low one-time price. And the fourth app is the ultimate AI-powered one-click background removal tool to easily erase backgrounds from any photo within seconds. This powerful machine learning technology auto-detects the edges and objects in your photos and automatically erases the background. You never have to select the object or manually draw around the edges or borders around those objects like other competing apps do. Also included is the most comprehensive and versatile Slick image editor, the fifth app in this package. Edit your photos like the professionals without any complicated apps. Edit, resize, enhance, or add filters or stickers to turn blurry and unappealing photos into stunning visuals ready to print or publish online. The next app included is our famous artificial intelligence logo creator. This logo design app is unlike anything that you've ever seen. You can now bulk create 50 logo variations for any brand in 3 easy steps. Just type in your brand name, select a logo style, and let the machine learning AI generate 50 customizable logo designs in a flash. You have total control over the customization process. Select the logo that you like, customize the colors, fonts, and shapes. With this all-inclusive design technology bundle, your customers will be able to replace multiple complicated design apps, expensive freelancers, and save thousands on subscription fees. This is a must-have for every marketer and business owner. You can even sell the designs that you create to maximize your revenues.